Hey guys, welcome back to Jetski's Garage. Going to be finally doing something with these Simmons that I bought a long time ago. So now I've finally got my car. I've actually really wanted to just drive it and do everything with it. So I want to go to the drags, I want to go to sort of track days and all that sort of stuff too, and just drive the wheels off it really. So years ago when I had another XC coupe, Fairmont XC that I bought off the original owner, really, yeah, not a bad car, but priorities changed at the time when I had it, and moved it on. But yeah, now I am back again with another one. So back then I bought these Simmons, which they're not a V5 as such, they're the Vienta or Viella or something like that. Yeah, so they were the gold centers, got them acid dipped and blasted and that, to clean them up, and basically, yeah, just wanted to tidy them up. Was going to do them up as a bit of a mint set, but the yeah, they're pretty crap, the dish. So yeah, basically, to make it happen, I ended up going to another mate's place and buying these Mickey Thompsons off him. So these are just some 275s, I'm pretty sure. Where are we? Yeah, so just some 275 50s. They're not really street legal, but basically, yeah, I'll just chuck them onto these Simmons, give them a bit of a clean up, and then yeah, once I go down the drags I can throw these on and not worry about my other tyres on the centre lines and have some fun. So yeah, basically this video I'll just be going through and giving these a clean up, a paint, buying all new hardware and that. I did get these pulled apart by a tyre fitter, but he was more of a truck tyre fitter, and he did not really know that you gotta be gentle with them. But the issue I'm going to come across is he sort of bowed these faces a little bit. Yeah, you can see there. It's not real straight there, so yeah, I'm just going to be trying to work it once I get the bolts and all that sort of thing, just get it all up, and that's why I'm not real fussed if these go on the road or not. As such, there's going to be a spare wheel to throw in the back when I go down the drags, and yeah, just redo the silicone and that on them as well. But yeah, see how they turn out. Now, seeing these aren't a matching set, all I'm really going to do is just give them a brush off, get rid of the cobwebs, quick brake clean, and probably just use some black VHT paint. I reckon I've got some in my cupboard here. Alrighty. I've got some. Oh, there it is. Right down the very. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably use this. Give my paint full coats of that, and then yeah, probably take the rims to work. Maybe, I don't know what to do with these. Maybe just give them a quick Scotch Brite. But yeah, should go down to the bolt place tomorrow. Work out what bolts I need, and then yeah, pick them up. Just some Allen key ones or something like that. Should look alright. These are really annoying rims to paint. So many little nooks and crannies everywhere and all that, so I have to do heaps of coats on these to get in every single little bit, because then you think, oh yeah, I've done there, but then there's that side, and back over to this side, and yeah. But no, I reckon it'll come up alright anyway. So yeah, rightio, so as I said, these rims are pretty crap. So I've just been playing around a bit, trying the best way to clean this sort of crap up inside there, and just sort of try and give a bit of life back to these rims. And what I found that's best sort of for it is actually steel wool, and I reckon I'm going to be pretty happy with that sort of finish, and it will sort of match me good old center lines. So yeah, I'm going to continue on, keep cleaning these up with a bit of that. As you can see, yeah, now you can really see how bad these rims are, but it's alright, it's not supposed to be a show car. So yeah, I'll just keep cleaning them up. Maybe we'll give them a little bit of a buff out with a gasket buff and see what happens, but I'll continue on. There we go. So just a bit of elbow grease, some steel wool. That's the old one. Yeah, there's a bit of difference there. Done a fair few coats on this bad boy. Woo. Look at that. Alright, so if we fast forward a little bit, I've been down to the bolt shop, got myself some nuts, and have got myself some bolts as well. So basically I have gotten, after a message to David, he has told me that M8 by 30 is the way to go. So I have chucked them in, but these ones seem to be, might just need a little bit of an adjustment. So as they go in, they just get stuck on the serrated part of it. But I'm going to try a little something, and bear with me for 2 seconds. What I'm going to do, get my persuasion stick and goes in beautifully. Yeah. So I'm going to go through, probably rattling them up with a rattle gun will probably be alright as well, but oh well, should be right. So to try and straighten all that up, I'm going to basically give it a bit of a manipulate now. Just got it on the ground, sitting flat, and yeah, give it some tap tap. Well, I'm pretty happy. What are you doing? Focus. There we go. So, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. Just giving it a bit of a dolly on the floor, just pretty flat. But yeah, have a look at the difference. Obviously that's a rear, that's the outside, and that's only a light scuff. But yeah, they definitely had a better storage life, that's for sure. So, don't know what happened here, but if we have a look, see how my holes are like lined up there, and I go across the other side, see they're like pushed over there, so this isn't round anymore. Maybe the guy got a bit too rough with it, don't know. So I'm gonna see if I can dolly it myself. So I'll get my big jet blow and give her a tap, see what happens. So, that was a bloody one-hit wonder. Have a look. Look at those holes. Damn bloody-tastic. There, so, that's going in now. I'm going to give it a bit of a clean now. Use a bit of brake clean, a bit of rag, clean inside there because there's no RTV silicone there anymore. But yeah, I don't know exactly what you should use for it, but have a go, put some RTV in it, see what happens. Off to my mate Adrian's again, tyre guy, up to McLaren Flat. Not too bad, having a mate who's a tyre guy, so it's 7 o'clock on a Friday night. He's still down the shop waiting for me. So yeah, just gave him a call about 15 minutes ago, so he's still down there. So through the wheels, tyres in the back, and heading down there now. Hey? Well, gonna say, pretty happy with how they've turned out. Like I say, they're just gonna be just a throw-on set when I head down to a track or whatever. Yep, there's not much tread on these, but like I say, just gonna be a throw-around set. Not planning on doing any street driving on them at all at the moment. Maybe want to get some new ones, but yeah, just want to see how they go. I do have a bit of a leak in the join down here. I did end up, let's see if we can go backwards. Yeah, just there, started leaking out. You can see it push silicone out, but I gave it a tap with a hammer there and closed the hole up, and it actually stopped leaking. So hopefully the silicone's a bit more set now. Was just in a bit of a rush to get it done. Yeah, all up cost me, I think I paid $400 for the rims, $150 for the tyres. So yeah, $550 all up for set of wheels to throw on and go have a bit of fun, but so it's about having a go. Well, that wraps this one up, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, keep up to date with the next videos that are coming up and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, basically remember, have a go at home and have fun. Catch ya.